Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use top engine cleaner. First, make sure your engine is warm but cool enough to safely touch. This helps the cleaner work more effectively. Next, gather your safety gear, including eye protection and gloves, and have a clean shop rag ready. Finally, identify the correct vacuum hose or PCV valve connection on your engine, as this is where you'll introduce the cleaner. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and successful cleaning process. Now, with your engine running and idling smoothly, it's time to apply the cleaner. Carefully disconnect the chosen vacuum hose or PCV valve. Slowly pour about half of the cleaner into the opening. It's crucial to do this gradually over a period of about 30 seconds to 1 minute to prevent the engine from stalling. If the engine struggles, pause the application until it stabilizes. This controlled method ensures the cleaner is distributed effectively without overwhelming the engine. Once you've applied the first half of the cleaner, turn off your engine right away. Let the cleaner soak for a good 10 to 15 minutes. This allows it to penetrate and dissolve carbon deposits effectively. After the soaking period, restart your engine and let it idle again. Now, slowly introduce the remaining half of the cleaner into the same vacuum port, following the same gradual process as before. This two-step application maximizes the cleaner's effectiveness. After applying all the cleaner, securely reconnect the vacuum hose or PCV valve. Then, take your vehicle for a 15-minute drive, ideally at highway speeds, to help burn off any loosened deposits. You should notice improved engine performance, better fuel efficiency, and reduced exhaust emissions. For continued benefits and to keep your engine running smoothly, consider repeating this simple cleaning process every 12,000 miles or once a year. Your engine will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.